Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your monitoring experience, a reliable storage solution for your dash cam, body cam, and security camera. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB microSD XC memory card. This memory card is specifically engineered to meet the rigorous demands of high-performance recording devices. Designed with endurance in mind, it offers a unique combination of reliability and long-lasting performance, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to capture crucial moments in high resolution. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Samsung Pro Endurance. First and foremost, this microSD card is built to last. With a staggering capacity of up to 256GB, it can record and rewrite data for up to 140,000 hours, equivalent to more than 16 years of continuous recording. For peace of mind, Samsung backs this product with a warranty of up to 5 years, ensuring that your data is well protected. When it comes to video quality, the Pro Endurance does not disappoint. It supports full HD and 4K resolutions, allowing you to record every detail with crystal clarity. With read and write speeds of up to 100 MB per second and 40 MB per second respectively, transferring large files becomes a breeze. This means less time waiting and more time reviewing your footage, which is crucial when you need to access important recordings quickly. Now, who exactly is this memory card suitable for? If you're a dashcam user, this card is a must-have. Given the unpredictable nature of driving, having a reliable storage solution means you can capture incidents on the road without worrying about data loss. It's also perfect for bodycam users, whether you're in law enforcement or security. The Pro Endurance ensures that your recordings are safely stored, giving you a comprehensive view of critical situations. Additionally, if you're into home security, this memory card is a great fit for your surveillance system, allowing you to store high-resolution footage without any hiccups. Let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine you're on a road trip, and you want to document every scenic route and unexpected adventure. With the Samsung Pro Endurance in your dashcam, you can record hours of footage without running out of space. Perhaps you're a security professional who relies on body cameras. The Pro Endurance will ensure that your recordings of interactions and incidents are safely stored, providing essential evidence when needed. For homeowners, installing this microSD card in your security camera means that you can keep an eye on your property, knowing that your footage is safe and sound, even in adverse weather conditions. Speaking of which, the Samsung Pro Endurance is built to withstand real-world challenges. It has been rigorously tested against magnets, X-rays, water, drops, and general wear and tear. With an operating temperature range of -25°C to 85°C, this microSD card can perform under various environmental conditions, giving you confidence that your data is safeguarded no matter where you are. In summary, the Samsung Pro Endurance 256GB microSD card is an excellent investment for anyone in need of a dependable storage solution for their dash cam, body cam, or security camera. With its impressive endurance, high-resolution support, and robust durability, it's designed to keep your critical data safe for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.